Hey, boys and girls, my name is Matt Comer. I'm Knoxville, Tennessee's Dean of Fun, and today I'm going to read you a story titled Jack and the Beanstalk from You Read to Me, I'll Read to You. Now, this is not the typical Jack and the Beanstalk story that you're used to. This is has a little twist to it, so it's a little bit different. This is written by Mary Ann Huberman and illustrated by Natalia Vasquez. Let's go ahead and get started. My name is Jack, the Beanstalk Lad, and I'm the ogre Jack made mad. I lost our milk cow in a trade. You've got 5 beans, that's all you've made? My mother threw them out that night, and in the morning, what a sight! A beanstalk grew that was so tall, we couldn't see the top at all. You climbed it to the top and then you stole my magic laying hen. Your hen that lays gold eggs, why yes, I stole your hen, I do confess. My bags of gold, you stole them too. And then my golden harp. That's true. That was a naughty thing to do. Now, Mr. Ogre, don't be mad. I do admit that I was bad. But we were poor and hungry too. You give them back or I'll eat you. I'll give them back if you agree to sometimes lend your hen to me. You're asking me to lend my hen? Not all the time, just now and then. And also, for a special treat, please lend your harp. It sounds so sweet. Why, yes, it has a lovely tone, but don't forget, it's just a loan. A bag of gold, perhaps you'd share? A half bag's all I have to spare. Now, that's all settled, and we're friends, and that's the way our story ends. Let's write it down. Let's write it now. We'll tell about the beans and cow, and how the beanstalk grew and grew. And when our story is all through, you'll read to me, I'll read to you. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that version of Jack and the Beanstalk. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.